If you've got a VOB file from a DVD and your system won't play it, that's normal. VOB is an old DVD format, not natively supported by most current devices. The straightforward fix? Turn it to MP4, which just works pretty much everywhere. Here's a step-by-step using WonderFox DVD video converter. First, download the converter from the official WonderFox site. Installation's quick, just follow the prompts. Once installed, launch the program. To import your media, if you have a single VOB file, drag and drop it directly into the main window. If the files are in a DVD folder, click Load DVD Folder and point it at your Video TS folder. Next, set your output. In the Output Format panel, select MP4 from the video category. That's the most widely compatible choice. Pro tip: under Settings, stick with H.264 Video Encoder. This gives the file broader compatibility. But switch to H.265 if you prefer a smaller file size while maintaining near original quality. You can also manage audio tracks and subtitles here. Select the languages and tracks you want to keep. Finally, choose your output directory, click Run, and the software will handle the conversion. That's it. Now you have an MP4 file that'll run on almost any device, with your preferred quality, audio, and subtitle settings intact. If you found this walkthrough useful, consider subscribing for more technical guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching.